But you know, I have to pop out one time for the one time.
Celebrate every day like a bird.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning back to my channel. So I'm gonna be using Bold Hold lace wig tape to install my frontal. And my video is gonna be a little choppy because I lost some files while I was trying to edit this. So as you can see, I'm gonna put my hair in 2 braids, not so tight because I didn't really feel like doing cornrow, to be honest. I've been kind of lazy. And then after that, so I'm gonna use a makeup wipe to just wipe around the area where I'm gonna put the Bold Hold glue on. And I'm using a wig that I made myself and custom colored myself. I'm gonna post a video on that, and I'm gonna install that. I had it in an elastic band and everything. I'm gonna add Got2b glue to my edges and brush it back so the hair doesn't get in the way, because I ain't trying to lose my edges. So I was told I look like a troll, but you know, that's okay, because the transformation about to come in 2.5. But you know, I'm already feeling stormy, whatever. But I'm just gonna cut the lace around my ears because it's too long. So it'll be better for me to install the wig and it won't be over my ear. Okay guys, like I said, my video's a little choppy, but here is when I start putting the glue on my forehead, and you want to make sure you don't put it on your edges or your shits will be snatched, literally. But I'm just putting little bits around and making sure I'm not touching my hair, my edges, and I'm using the tail of my rat tail comb to just spread it around, because you don't want to have your glue all clumped. You want to make sure it's like a nice layer that's smooth around, so that when you lay your frontal on it, you won't see clumps of glue and it'll look like scalp. As you're laying your frontal down, you want to get the little pieces of hair out the way, because you don't want to have glue on your edges. I mean, even though you might get glue on your edges anyways, but you don't want to get like a whole bunch of glue on it. And I'm just using a blow dryer to speed the process of it getting tacky. And then I'm going to start placing it with my fingers in little sections.
A whole bottle of Patronus.
This shit is the real shit, man.
No, she said she's gonna need 2 cups, like.
What, Lays? Like coming from my scalp.
That's yeah. Easy. Mine said drink your 2 full cups. You heard?
2 full cups, you loud.
She said you're walk it off. Walk it off?
Like I took it.
That's why it hurts. I don't know what the fuck y'all be throwing.
The burn. It burns. That's what we not.
Burn.
Yeah, it's the burn.
What the fuck is y'all throwing? What's it?
It's acid. You know that's what vomit is? Acid from your stomach?
Yeah, but I've never experienced that. Like,
it don't burn? What type of?
Nah, it don't burn.
So you be what? You be
I'll be back in 5 minutes.
I just throw up and I walk the fuck away.
My shit is fucking laid, baby. My shit is laid, alright. My goodies. Bold Hold, the lady who created Bold Hold, you the shit, man. Dead ass. So I'm about to style this. I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm gonna do my edges. After that, I'm gonna cover the leaves like this part, and yeah. And I'm gonna cut it a little bit, the little sideburns. There's a storm in the building, y'all. And it's me, okay? Okay.